Big combination between Golden Gems and Funky Cheff, back to back, you know? Why you mean?
Glorious, glorious. Speak the truth and speak it ever. Cause it's what it means. You had the wrong, does the wrong thing still. Glorious, glorious. Speak the truth and speak it ever. Cause it's what it means. You had the wrong, does the wrong thing still. Glorious, glorious. Speak the truth and speak it ever. Cause it's what it means. You had the wrong, does the wrong thing still. You gotta find a better way to reach out all the way. You gotta find a better way to reach out all the way. Yeah. Visit the place where your wild side had a wild side. You won't believe what people are capable of doing to a man like you. You never stop to think about others. Show compassion on the inside. You gotta find a better way to reach out all the way. You gotta find a better way to reach out all the way. Fearless, careless people don't believe in what they're saying or they do. They are till be rise all the way. You gotta find a better way to reach out all the way. You gotta find a better way to reach out all the way. Tell me what's wrong with a brother man like you. You have your life to live, so why not be happy and live it on? You gotta find a better way to reach out all the way. You gotta find a better way to reach out all the way.
Joshua took his horn and he blew down the wall. Hold on, Joshua. Joshua standing 10 feet tall. Hold on, Joshua. Hold on. Hold on, Joshua. Hold on. Hold on, Joshua. Huff and he huff and he blow the wall down. Hold on, Joshua. Them walls, them fall down on the ground. Hold on, Joshua. Hold on. Hold on, Joshua. Hold on. Hold on, Joshua. Up on the mountain, down to the sea, down in the valley, they are free. We the people, we the people, we the people, set us free. The rod of correction
Big combination.
Golden Jam. Golden Jam.